Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Catherine and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing out the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Foundation. This is from their Tutti Frutti collection. I was super excited when this foundation was announced because it sounded like it's supposed to be the dewy equivalent of the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, which I absolutely love, but I do have dry skin, so I also love a nice dewy finish. And I absolutely love the Too Faced scented products, and this one smells like watermelon. This is like, heck yeah, sign me up. Dewy foundation that smells like watermelon, heck yeah. So I picked this up as soon as possible. I did order it from Too Faced proper. Ulta won't let me place an order for some reason, no matter what credit card or payment platform I use. This is an Ulta exclusive, so you can only get this at Ulta or on Too Faced's website. It retails for $36 for 1.36 ounces of product, so you get a little bit less product than the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation, which has 1.6 ounces of product. This comes in 20 different shades. As per usual, I feel that they all sort of lean a bit towards the yellow side. I picked up the shade Snow, which is supposed to be the lightest rosy shade. I was hoping that this one might be a good shade for me, especially for winter when I tend to need a dewy foundation the most. So I'm just gonna pop some swatches of this foundation next to a few of my others up on the screen. That way, if you are interested in picking this up, you might have an idea of if this shade will work for you or not. This is the Too Faced Do You Foundation in Snow, Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in Vanilla, BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation in 204, Revolution Pro Foundation Drops in F4, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Nude. So I'm just going to read Too Faced's claims on this foundation and then we're going to dive right in. So the description says, hydrate and brighten your Tutti Frutti complexion with this dewy gel cream foundation infused with soothing watermelons and cucumbers. Details: full coverage foundation, 20 hydrating brightening shades, formula leaves skin with a glowing satin finish, infused with soothing watermelons and cucumbers, helps even skin tone, gel cream formula leaves skin ultra hydrated and brightened, non-comedogenic and long wearing. Alright, so those are the claims and we're going to see if they hold up. One last thing before we get started, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love foundation reviews. I do also have a whole playlist of all my foundation reviews, so if you enjoy this one, make sure to go check that out as well. And let's go ahead and test this baby out. Alright, so I tried this yesterday with a primer and it did not look so hot, so I just did my normal skincare routine and did a few spritzes of the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, and that's it. No primers or anything to interfere with the foundation. So I'm about a pump and a half on here. And I'm using an AOA Studio F1 brush. This is the $1 dupe of the Sigma F80. This definitely looks better than it did yesterday, but this is by no means full coverage. Like, I can still see freckles and redness, and those are the two easiest things to cover up. And this still is clinging to my texture a bit weirdly. Like, I don't know if that's showing there. It's sort of just settling into all my pores, and right along here it's doing the same thing. So I'm just going to use this remaining bit on the back of my hand and see if I can build this up at all. I actually think that might have taken away some coverage. Yeah, that definitely took away some coverage. We're going to try the sponge side now. This is an AOA Studio sponge. This sponge side has the rare and beautiful combination of having almost no coverage yet still having horrible texture. I'm gonna see if I can attempt to build it up again with a brush. Maybe a different brush, I don't know. I'm gonna try my BH Cosmetics Vegan 12 face brush and see if that builds it up. This looks like utter crap on my skin. I'm gonna give this a spritz in my rose water to see if that helps the situation at all, but this looks awful. I am gonna show you guys this in natural light, but first I'm gonna apply some concealer and powder. I don't even think I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. I'm not even inclined to do a wear test with this one because it just doesn't look good on my skin. Okay, as I'm blending my concealer over this, it is getting even streakier, it's lifting up. This is the biggest makeup disappointment of 2018 so far. Icing on the cake, doesn't even powder well. It's just lifted up when I tried to powder it even. Okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna try to finish up my makeup. I'm gonna take this off immediately. I'm just gonna go over to natural light to show you guys how shitty this really looks. So this is what we're working with. You can see where it all lifted up when I tried to powder and blend out my concealer. You can see all of this emphasized skin texture. Normally my skin looks nice and smooth here. You can see where it's sinking into my pores. Like, how does this look so cakey? Like, how is this meant to be a dewy foundation? I don't get it. I feel like you get the picture, but like nothing about this looks good, like at all. Yeah, so I would 100% not recommend this foundation. I'm not even gonna do a wear test. I'm just taking this off. I'm gonna go do other makeup to eliminate this from my memory. I have countless foundations in my collection that look a million times better than this, and they all cost less than this as well. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this because I bought this from Too Faced proper, and Too Faced doesn't accept returns once you've tried it out. So I guess I'm just going to donate this or something. I don't know. Throw it in the trash. Maybe someone will want to buy it. Really not a fan of this. Would not recommend by any means. But that's it. I guess this was a bust of a foundation review. Hopefully my next video will be more fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me fail miserably to make this foundation actually look good. And I will see you guys next time.